everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix focus mode not working. I am sure you must have tried the advanced version of do not disturb on iPhone focus mode. It is designed to help people reduce the time of using their cell phones while focusing more on tasks and being more productive. This video is for those who want to get the problem fixed instantly. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is turn off share across devices. For this, go to settings and then tap on focus. Next, turn share across devices off and you are done. And the next step is ensure to set the correct time. If you're using the scheduled focus mode, you should check if the time is set correctly. For this, go to settings and then tap on focus. Then tap the problematic focus mode. Then scroll down to find the time you set under set as schedule. And then tap on it. Correct it if the time is not set properly and you are done. And the next step is check for unwanted but whitelisted app. Are you sure that apps in the allow notification list are still that you want? For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on focus. Click the suspicious focus mode and then click on apps. Check if all apps under allow notifications from are all that you need. If you don't need the app, delete that unwanted one and you are done. And the next step is toggle off time sensitive notifications. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on focus and then click on the concerned focus mode. Next, click on apps and then toggle time sensitive notifications off and you are done. And the next step is allow no repeated calls. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on focus. Click on the concerned focus mode like sleep focus or do not disturb mode. Choose to allow calls from allowed people or contact only and toggle off allow repeated calls and you are done. And the next step is delete the focus and re-add. If you have tried to either switch on or off some buttons but the focus mode on the iPhone is not working, still can't be fixed, try to delete the focus and re-add it again. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on focus and then tap on the focus mode you want to delete. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on delete focus. Tap on delete focus again and then re-add it and you are done. And the next step is force restart your device. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off and wait for some time and press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all settings on your iPhone and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of focus mode not working, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.